With preseason in the books, the new-look Phoenix Suns are set to kick off the regular season against the Golden State Warriors on Halloween night. And with so many players vying for different roles on this team, toughness and grit was a result of the preseason, and the Suns are hoping that translates into regular season competition.
I mean, that's the thing I think that I've been most proud of, is that we've been very competitive in what we've tried to do. The practices that we've had has been pretty spirited, and I think we have to take that now from the practice court and the preseason to the regular season, where we're going to play with a little bit of a chip on our shoulder.
We're going to be more improved than people think. We have different areas that are better than we were last year. We have a go-to guy in Beasley who can create his own shot and score from anywhere. Goran's back now, a different point guard than Steve, but definitely very effective. A power forward in Scola who can be a point guard out there, can run the show, very Europeanish with all his different trick shots, and I think with the chemistry, I think we're going to do pretty good.
You want to see hunger. You got a lot of guys that wants to win, wants that name, so to speak, wants to leave a mark, not only on the team, but in this league, So you want to see a bunch of hard-working young guys, and you want to see a little bit of excitement in the meantime.